In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Pepperstone MT5. To begin, make sure you have already downloaded the Pepperstone MetaTrader 5 installer from the Pepperstone website or from your client area. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and find the Pepperstone MT5 installation file. Next, double-click the installer to start the setup process. Your operating system may ask for permission to allow the installer to make changes to your device. If that happens, click Yes to continue. After that, the installation window will appear. Take a moment to review the installation settings. If you want to use the default setup, you can leave everything as it is. If you prefer, you can also choose a different installation location before moving forward. When you are ready, click Next or Install to begin installing MetaTrader 5 on your computer. The installer will then copy the required files and complete the setup. This may take a few moments, so wait until the process finishes. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to close the installer. Pepperstone MT5 is now installed on your device. Now launch MetaTrader 5. You can usually open it from your desktop shortcut or from the Start menu depending on how your system is set up. When the platform opens, look for the option that says Log in to Trade Account and select it. You will then need to enter your Pepperstone MT5 account credentials in the login window. Make sure you type the details carefully so the platform can connect to your trading account correctly. After entering the required information, complete the login process. Once you are logged in, check that your trading account is connected and working properly. You should be able to see your account information inside the platform, which confirms that MetaTrader 5 is ready to use. At this point, the installation and login process is complete. You have successfully set up Pepperstone MT5 and confirmed that your account is connected. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.